In this video, we'll see how we can import products from WooCommerce to Shopify for totally free. You can import product, customer orders. You can import even import custom coupons and many details you can import. We'll see how we can import these. Let's go. I'm logged into admin dashboard of Shopify. For that, we will install an app through which we will import products from WooCommerce. So here, I've searched store importer. So here we need to search it WooCommerce importer. Here you can see free to install. We will use this plugin to import products from WooCommerce. Click on install. On install, we need to set up it after installation. So here you need to connect with your store. Click on connect. What you need to do? You need to add store URL, consumer key, consumer secret that we need. First, I will add store URL. This is my store URL. I will edit consumer key. Click on how to create consumer key for WooCommerce. Go here. It will show you all the process like we will need to create a REST API. Very simple. So how we can create it? Go here. Go on WooCommerce. Click on setting. We need to go on advanced. Here you can see REST API. Now here click on create API. I will name it as a Shopify. We need to give only read access generate API. Very simple. Here you can see consumer key and consumer secret. You can just paste it here. Secret. Now save. Now the connection will be established. Here you can see we are checking your data in background. Please wait. It will connect to your WooCommerce store. It is checking. We need to wait. Here you can see there are 15 products, one customer found, 12 order found, 4 coupon found, 17 pages, and one post. You can see all the detail you can import. So what we want to import product description as a regular description, weight unit, kilogram. Import metadata if you want product review, override existing product, import category as smart collection. If you want to import it, you can import that. Publish product, yes, I want to publish product. Now, if you want to import order, you can import it, but mine is development store. That's why it is not showing. You can import order note. You can import coupons. You can import WordPress pages even. So you can import all these detail for free. But there is one thing, there is limited free option. Here you can see it is free up to 150 product and free 50 customer slash order slash coupon. So you can import up to 150 product and 50 customer or orders you can import for free. So I have just selected what I want to import. It will run it and import all these detail in my store. Okay, let's see. Here you see it is showing we have imported 15 product and order and customer I haven't imported it. So that's why you can also view a product here. Here you can view it. And if it is not visible, it must be active, then it only be visible on store. So that's how you can easily import your products from WooCommerce to Shopify for free. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.